The K Classic Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K Classic Brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go? Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew every time.
This review is for the Mueller single serving. I got it to replace my Keurig single serving. It stopped working, I think, because I didn't clean it enough with vinegar. Anyway, what I don't like about this is that when you go to put the water in, this little hole, it gets water everywhere. I mean, besides that, fine. Doesn't have the same sturdiness that the Keurig has. See, this water reservoir is a lot bigger. You don't get it everywhere. It's a lot smaller. Since I don't need such a petite one, I'm probably gonna send it back and get a new Keurig. But this kind of reminds me of something you'd see at a hotel. For single serving, it's kind of flimsy. It's fine, but I want something more substantial, I guess. That's my review. That's my main complaint. Water everywhere.